Hi, Steve Johnson, General Manager from Kut Kwick. Today we're going to talk about the proper tire pressure and the proper torque settings for your MegaSlopemaster MSM T4. Tire pressure is critical on the MegaSlopemaster. With duals installed, your inside tire should be at 22 psi, your outside tire should be at 20 psi. Less pressure makes the tire more susceptible to get knocked off the bead of the rim. Too much pressure reduces the slopeability by reducing the contact patch with the ground. Another critical aspect is that the dual wheels are tightened to the appropriate torque spec. For the duals on a MegaSlopemaster, you want between 55 and 75 foot-pounds of torque. Thanks for watching, and if you have any further questions, feel free to give us a call or check us out on the web.